god, this one is so cute. I'm gonna have this one right here. Ah, looks good. And then some of crystal in here. Okay, now we can do some crystal here as you prefer. If you don't want to, definitely. And we're gonna start with the, of course, always a lot of questions who ask is what I am using to add here is Perfect Crystal Designs. This is nothing but is crystal trifecta. So if you already have your brush and your crystal pickers, you only need is crystal trifecta. There's a crystal jar, is so beautiful. I'm gonna grab one of crystal trifectas for you to see what the newest one right now, so you can see that it's come with a lot of elements, different sizes of the crystal, different colors, and then also frames and charms in there. So let's get started with this. I'm using a really cute simple nails on this one, and we just applies right on, because I'm not going to cover on the tips. I go ahead and applies right on the that's what I'm talking about. The crystal jar is packed full of the crystal jars with a lot of elements, frame, charms, metal pieces, you name it, and beads and everything else. All right, so we'll go ahead and using the no wipe top coat. If you are starting with your crystal designs and is really having a troubleshootings with the crystal placements, crystal trifecta will definitely gonna back you up every single time when you're doing your crystal design. So now if you want to cap completely your sugaring line, you can definitely go ahead and cap everything. If you are going to leave it alone, you want to feel the textures, then we're gonna cap it just on the tips only to protect it. And then we'll work the crystal on that. Let's see what we're getting in here. Oh, I like that one. I'm gonna add some beads between the crystal and whimsical. This is I see that I have a butterflies and the flower is so cute and then exclusive for Mother's Day month. I really like this white one. Okay. Are you good, Joe? I'm going to add some beads on. You can tell that I'm using the the mix bags from the sub box.
See? And could be very well. That is really pretty. You don't need a whole lot. You just need a quick theme and get one centerpiece and decorate around it.
Alright, happy with this? We'll flash here just quick for 30 seconds because we'll move finger to the next one.